what is this game? Well, I don't really know what it is, but what the flip? Why the flip is my things like literally going out so far? Let me take my headphones off. Okay, yeah, that feels better. I just joined Eddie in this game, and I have no idea what this is. I think you're supposed to do like an obstacle. Oh my god, bro. And I don't think Eddie's not even playing this anymore, bro. Why? Ah! I'm just gonna leave. Let me check. Wait. No, he's not playing. So I'm just leaving now. And guys, please like and subscribe. If you like and subscribe, I'll really like you. And guys, if you like and subscribe, it will also make me better at obbies because I am so bad at obbies. So like and subscribe so I can get better at obbies. Okay? Anyways, let's get back to the video. What game should we play? Okay. I got it. Yoink. Brookhaven. We're joining the server. Come on already. Yoink. Welcome to Brookhaven. Wait. Okay. I wonder what we're just gonna do. Let's get out a cool car. Actually, no, I can just go in this, and let's put on my favorite music. You know what it is. Yeah, you can remember this song from my last video I made. You can remember it. If you watched it, you will recognize this song. Right. I'm gonna get private jet, bro. Okay, yike. I just went through it. Lock the house. Let me look it. Okay. Let's just get off this. Now we're gonna run. A jet? Do you have to have premium? And I definitely do. Yoink! Let's get into my private jet. Whoa! We're going up. We're gonna fly out of the map, guys. Speed 29. Yeah, that's good. Speed 39, actually. No, 29 is good. We're flying out of the map. Okay, maybe that's too much. Let's just keep it at 29. Look, we've almost flown out of the map. We're literally flying so far, guys. We're gonna fly to the end of the world. Come on, go faster. $109. We're going 109 speed. Go so fast. Maybe 79's good. Bye, Brookhaven. We're literally going so far. You can kind of see my subscribe thing at the top's going through, and even Foxy from LankyBox. If you know LankyBox, you should go to their channel right now and like and subscribe to them, and also do it to me. Like and subscribe. You might also want to turn on notifications so you can know when one of my videos come out, okay? Let's go. Oh my god, we've almost flew out of the green, bro. We flew in so fast. Let's get there. Come on. 109. I'm 139 speed. We're just going so far. We're in the void, guys. Oh, flip. No. Quick, jump out. Oh, shoot. I'm gonna die. Bye. Where is my private jet? Okay, that was kind of a bit funny. Okay, let's find my house now. Yike. There is my house. Boom. How am I gonna get outside? Oh my god. What is there? It's part of the thing, I think. It's part of the house. Okay. I'm ready to fly out of the map. We're gonna do this once again. Door. Wait. Am I opening it or closing it? No. Open it. There. And spawn the jet. Okay. Yoink. I think that's the wrong place. We're going up, guys. I'm excited. Okay. Look how fast we are going. We're going 0 speed. Go up. Go that fast. Where? Faster. We're flying past the map. Now we just gotta fly into the void. That's our goal, guys. To fly into the void. And we are flying into the void. We are super close to the void. Well, maybe not super close. We are close though. Okay, now we are super close. And we reached into the void. Yeah. Let's go. Now it's time for me to skydive. Oh, yeah. Because we are definitely crashing. Oh my god. What the flip? I gotta die, bro. Oh, there. What? Why am I gonna leave? No. Resume. Oh, that was insane, guys. Like, it was insane. Let's get back to my house. Oh, I almost went into the tunnel. Okay, but, yoink. Okay, luck. Yike. Okay, let's get my jet. Because I really like flying in it. It's pretty fun. Okay. Speed. Turn up the speed. Turn it up. Whoa, we're flying so fast. We're already at the end of the map. Faster. Faster. Yep, that is what I'm talking about. And it's turning into the morning. Yay, bye moon. Can you see the moon going down, guys? See, it's going down the moon. We're gonna soon get into the void. Da-na-na-na-na. We're already in the sunlight. Tight. Look how beautiful the weather is. Now we can just like fly out of the whole entire map and look how far we are from the land. What does it look like inside the jet? Oh, there's nothing to see. We're going so fast. Look how far we are from the land. Wow. Okay, we're going down. Okay, up. Oh, yeah. This is cool. Time to skydive. We're upside down. Wait, I'm falling out because we're upside down. Right? And I died. We're just gonna respawn. Yikes. Okay, that was fun going on there. Wait, man. You think you can get away being bad? I want to be dead. I'm gonna be dead. No, I'm joking. Oh my god, that's such a good car. I can get it. Guys, I can actually get that car. Look how good this car is. I'm very rich. Let me make it look like a very good car. Oh my god. That just looks so good with the white. Oh, flip. Hey, our cars are the same. That person just got into my car, but I thought he actually left. Wait, how did... That's the garage. Okay. Yikes. Close it up. Close it up. I'm gonna go on the jet one more time. And then it's the end of the video. Yikes. What should I call this video? Maybe me riding a private jet? Yeah, that's good. Peace. Come on, speed. Go faster. Faster, faster, faster. Now we are flying in our private jet. I want to turn around. Oh, flip. Oh, flip. I think I just died, Bert. Yeah, I definitely died. Now, if you enjoyed that video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and give it a subscribe, right? Like, smash the subscribe button. Smash it. And the like button, smash it. Smash it. And I'll see you next time. Oh, boom!